Hey, what's up everyone? This is Jules Leyhe here with Guitar and Camera today. I want to break down a tune by Derek Trucks. This is his version of Volunteered Slavery from the record Songlines. So Derek didn't write this song. This is originally a Rassan Roland Kirk tune from a record of his back in 1969. And Derek, obviously being a musician who covers all sorts of bases, I love that he would interpret this tune, and his version on Songlines is really breathtaking. It's the intro track. It lends just a ton of great slide guitar isms and phrases. I think you have a lot to benefit from learning this. So I'm going to play it. And as far as the phrasing and everything is concerned, I'm pretty sure that I'm doing a really good job of getting everything pretty darn close to what Derek's playing. There might be a couple of little points where it's off by a teeny bit. I think you'll agree that a lot of these licks sound just about right. And anyway, let me show you, let me dive into playing it, and we can break down some of the parts specifically afterwards. So here is Volunteered Slavery. Cool, so that's the main head. It's funny, it's just kind of like this pentatonic riff that keeps going, and they develop it a bit, but that's the main thing going on. Right off the bat, we get some of Derek's kind of signature things that he likes to do, and as a slide guitar player, these are all things that we should be focusing on and working on, because he's just playing C. So we're in the key of C. It's C minor. There's a little bit of major minor going on, but it's basically C minor. And he starts off by doing this. And to me, if you can, it looks and kind of sounds easier than it is. But we're starting on C, right? Sliding into C. And then that up into the E flat. And now here's the part where don't rush through this. Make sure that these notes are E flat, F, G. It's not like this. Kind of halfway. Playing those notes in tune and in time is tricky. So I would slow this down. I've been working on this for a long time. I care about this type of playing, and it's not perfect, but it's taken me a long time to be able to play that sort of lick comfortably and in tune. So anyway, just this intro lick. And then that's just carrying on. Like I've said in other videos, if I'm moving too fast or anything, please take advantage of this being a YouTube video. You can just rewind and watch me play that lick over and over. You can slow down the speed because I just want to make the points clear, and I don't want to go back over it 100 times. You can do that on your own. So that's part of the point of this video. So anyway. Now this lick right here, it's just C minor pentatonic, but his touch, the way he's playing the notes and the phrasing is super specific. So listen to that when you're listening, okay? Then we get to the main melody. And you'll see if you're wondering how to get all these slide guitar licks and everything one note at a time, your right hand, this is the key right here, okay? We're not going like this. That actually sounds kind of cool, but we get a ton of harmonies. We want melodic lines that are one note at a time. So in order to do that, we have to work with our right hand and make sure that we're not playing more than one note at a time. This is really tricky, and I will elaborate on this more as we do more of these videos. And if you have a question about this, also, I want to let you know that I teach lessons, so feel free to get in touch with me through the channel, and I can totally work with you on things like right hand muting and technique that you might have questions about. This is Volunteered Slavery. It's a great tune. There's a live Derek Trucks record live at the Georgia Theater, I'm pretty sure, and they play it in F. And that's a great exercise with guitar, is with slide especially. C and F are not kind of your first go-to keys when you're in open E. Duane Allman, anybody, Sonny Landreth, all these guys, Ariel Posen, Joey Landreth, all these slide guys who are out now. The key is definitely not a problem. So if you're uncomfortable playing keys like C and F, there are a lot of ways to make that happen, but I would try to transcribe those licks, listen to different versions, just get your hands on as many different versions of this song as you can. You'll see all the different little bits of phrasing. It just sounds a little different in F versus C, but I hope that this really helped with being able to see and hear those licks played one by one. They're very tricky. This song is no joke. It's the first of many awesome songs on the Songline record. I would recommend slowing this down, memorizing it, listening to it over and over. And then when you're at that point where you feel like you're ready to dive in and learn it, watch this video, learn these licks one at a time, and just play it really slow. Make sure that you're lining up all of your licks and playing in tune. I did not have a reference pitch or anything, but hopefully when you check it and you're playing something like a C chord, that I'm in tune enough so that you can tell what's going on. All right, so that's a little bit of Volunteered Slavery, the amazing opening track on the Songlines record. Derek Trucks, some great smoking guitar playing on that. I kind of rushed through this, and I want to give you guys nuggets of phrases, licks, ideas, things that I'm thinking about when I'm listening to and learning this type of stuff on my own. Hopefully you got something from this video. If you like it, like the video, share it with a friend, and please subscribe to the channel. We will keep coming out with material like this all the time to keep you guys happy. And take care. I'll catch you next time.